Synchronized talking. Now this is, or synchronized movement, this is where you either talk and speak the same words as another performer, or you synchronize your movements so that you make the same movements as another performer. Now that takes a lot of practice and is quite difficult. And if actors pull that off, that is very effective, and it's one of the reasons why we might say they were good performers. There is also something that goes with that, which is stylized movement, where they're synchronized together and they may all make a stylized movement that goes together. So 5 members of the cast. There's a very clear example of that in Brief Encounter, a play you may or may not have seen, that was done by the Knee High Theatre in 2008. And in that, at a certain point, a door was supposed to have opened, maybe, we got that impression, or a gust of wind, there was a sound effect of a gust of wind, and all the actors all at once made a kind of movement. A stylized movement. It wasn't real, and there's no reason why human beings would move like that. It wasn't meant to be real or naturalistic. It was stylized movement. Sometimes when actors do that, if they do it well, it can be very effective. Freeze frame or frozen tableau. It's the same thing, it's just a different name for it. Frozen tableau or freeze frame. There are sometimes moments in plays where the director has asked the actors to freeze at certain points, and it's extremely effective and can cause certain points to be highlighted. So for instance, if a person is picking up a knife ready to stab somebody and they freeze in a rather attractive visual picture, unnaturally maybe for 5 seconds, completely frozen, and then they move, that might be very attractive. That might be a very kind of attractive visual sort of dimension to the play. So freeze frame or frozen tableau, the actors have to get it right, they have to do it on cue, they have to stay completely frozen. If they manage that, it can be very effective and very enjoyable for a member of the audience. And audiences do sometimes show their appreciation of those little stylistic devices by applauding or, talking about it afterwards and making it clear that they really enjoyed them.